back to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate guide to creating beautiful and functional living spaces. Today, we address a practical and increasingly popular solution for outdoor spaces called artificial grass for patio areas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This is not about fleeting trends, it's about understanding the functionality and aesthetic advantages of a material designed to enhance your living environment. Let us begin with a clear definition. Artificial grass, in the context of a patio area, refers to a manufactured surface designed to mimic natural turf. It is composed of synthetic fibers woven or tufted into a backing material, intended to provide a durable, low-maintenance alternative to natural grass. When applied to a patio, it transforms a typically hard, often uninviting surface into a softer, more visually appealing space. The purpose is to create an outdoor area that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, offering the look and feel of a manicured lawn without the associated upkeep. This application is particularly beneficial in areas where natural grass is difficult to maintain due to limited sunlight, drainage issues, or simply a desire for a low-maintenance solution. Now, we must examine the tangible advantages. There are several compelling reasons to opt for artificial grass on your patio. Firstly, low maintenance is paramount. Unlike natural grass, artificial turf requires no mowing, watering, or fertilizing. This significantly reduces the time and resources needed to maintain a pristine outdoor space. Secondly, durability is a key factor. Modern artificial grass is designed to withstand a range of weather conditions, from intense sunlight to heavy rain, without fading or deteriorating. Thirdly, consistency in appearance is guaranteed. The surface remains uniformly green and lush year-round, regardless of seasonal changes or environmental factors. Fourthly, cleanliness is enhanced. Artificial grass eliminates mud and dirt, creating a cleaner, more hygienic environment. Fifthly, it is allergy-friendly, as it does not produce pollen or other allergens associated with natural grass. Sixthly, it offers improved drainage, preventing waterlogging and ensuring a dry surface even after heavy rainfall. Seventhly, versatility is evident. It can be installed on various surfaces, including concrete, wood, and tile. Eighthly, it is a long-term investment, as high-quality artificial grass can last for many years with minimal upkeep. Ninthly, it is pet-friendly, providing a safe and comfortable surface for animals. Tenthly, it increases the usable living space by making otherwise unusable spaces into aesthetically pleasing areas. How do I decorate my patio area with artificial grass? Moving on to the practical aspects of design, decorating a patio with artificial grass requires a thoughtful approach. Begin by considering the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. A minimalist design might focus on clean lines and a neutral color palette, while a more vibrant approach could incorporate colorful furniture and accessories. Consider the scale and proportion of the space. Larger patios can accommodate more elaborate designs, while smaller patios may benefit from a more streamlined approach. Incorporate elements that complement the texture and color of the artificial grass. For example, natural wood furniture and stone accents can create a harmonious blend of textures. Ensure that the layout is functional and conducive to the intended use of the space, whether it's for dining, lounging, or entertaining. Additionally, utilize outdoor lighting to enhance the ambience of the patio, particularly during evening hours. Finally, select durable and weather-resistant materials for all furniture and accessories to ensure longevity and functionality. What is the best items for patio area with artificial grass? To maximize the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your patio, select items that complement the artificial grass and enhance the overall design. Consider the following. First, outdoor lounge furniture. Opt for weather-resistant materials such as teak, aluminum, or wicker. Cushions should be made from durable, fade-resistant fabrics. Second, planters and pots. Incorporate a variety of sizes and shapes to add visual interest. Choose materials such as terracotta, concrete, or metal. Third, outdoor rugs. Select rugs made from weather-resistant materials such as polypropylene or outdoor-rated nylon. Fourth, fire pits or outdoor heaters. Extend the usability of your patio into the cooler months with a fire pit or outdoor heater. Fifth, outdoor lighting. Utilize a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Sixth, water features. A small fountain or water feature can add a soothing element to the patio. Seventh, shade solutions. Consider installing a pergola, awning, or shade sails to provide protection from the sun. Eighth, outdoor bar or kitchenette. If space permits, an outdoor bar or kitchenette can enhance the functionality of the patio. Ninth, decorative pillows and throws. Add pops of color and texture with outdoor-rated pillows and throws. 10th, privacy screens or fencing. Enhance privacy and create a more intimate space with screens or fencing made from materials such as wood, metal, or bamboo. Remember, the key is to select items that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, creating a cohesive and inviting outdoor space. To truly elevate your patio's aesthetic, here these the compilation of the top 10 artificial grass patio ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The Urban Oasis. Transform a small, concrete patio into a lush, green retreat. Use high-density artificial grass with a realistic texture. Incorporate vertical gardens with climbing vines and potted plants to maximize space and create a serene urban environment. Minimalist outdoor furniture in neutral tones will complement the greenery. 2. The Rooftop Retreat. Ideal for city dwellers, a rooftop patio with artificial grass creates a private escape. Opt for a lightweight, durable turf designed for rooftop installations. Add comfortable lounge chairs, a small fire pit, and string lights for a cozy atmosphere. Consider adding a pergola for shade. 3. The Balcony Garden. Even a small balcony can benefit from artificial grass. Choose a low-pile, easy-to-clean turf. Use modular outdoor furniture that can be easily rearranged. Add colorful cushions and planters to create a vibrant and inviting space. 4. The Family-Friendly Patio. Create a safe and comfortable play area for children with soft, durable artificial grass. Incorporate outdoor games, a small playhouse, or a sandbox. Use bright colors and playful patterns to create a fun and engaging environment. 5. The Pet-Friendly Paradise. Artificial grass is ideal for pet owners. Choose a turf with excellent drainage and antimicrobial properties. Add pet-friendly furniture, a water bowl, and a shaded area. Consider a designated potty area with easy-to-clean surfaces. 6. The Minimalist Patio. Embrace simplicity with a clean and uncluttered design. Use a high-quality, artificial grass with a natural appearance. Incorporate minimalist furniture in neutral tones. Add a few strategically placed plants and a simple water feature. 7. The Mediterranean-inspired patio. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with terracotta pots, vibrant flowers, and textured fabrics. Use an artificial grass with a slightly longer pile for a more natural look. Add a pergola with climbing vines and comfortable seating. 8. The Modern Entertainment Space. Design a sleek and stylish patio for entertaining guests. Use a dark-colored artificial grass to create a sophisticated look. Incorporate modern outdoor furniture, a built-in bar, and a high-quality sound system. 9. The Zen Garden Patio. Create a tranquil and peaceful retreat with a Zen-inspired design. Use a fine-textured artificial grass with a subtle green hue. Incorporate smooth stones, bamboo accents, and a small water feature. Add comfortable seating for meditation or relaxation. 10. The multi-level patio. For patios with varying elevations, utilize artificial grass to unify the space. Create distinct zones for dining, lounging, and gardening. Use retaining walls or steps to define the different levels. Add outdoor lighting to highlight the architectural features. These ideas provide a starting point for transforming your patio into a stunning outdoor living space. Remember to consider your personal style, the size of your patio, and the intended use of the space when making design decisions. Artificial grass offers a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution for patio areas. Its low-maintenance nature, durability, and versatility make it an excellent choice for enhancing outdoor living spaces. By carefully considering design elements and selecting appropriate items, you can create a patio that is both functional and visually appealing. We at Homes Decor Designs encourage you to explore the possibilities of artificial grass and transform your patio into a stunning outdoor retreat. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.